Hello, kids. Let's learn letters. Learn about colors. Purple color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, red color, blue color, green color. A. Letter A. A for apple. Apple is a healthy fruit for us. B. Letter B. B for ball. Ball is round. We play with a ball. C. Letter C. C for cat. Cat is a cute animal. D. Letter D. D for dog. Dog is a faithful pet. E. Letter E. E for elephant. Elephant is the biggest land animal. F. Letter F. F for fish. Fish swims in the water. G. Letter G. G for girl. Girl is playing with piano. H. Letter H. H for horse. Horse runs very fast. I. Letter I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is sweet and cold. J. Letter J. J for jug. Jug is used for water. K. Letter K. K for kite. Kite flies high in the sky. L. Letter L. L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. M. Letter M. M for mango. Mango is the king of fruits. N. Letter N. N for nose. Nose helps us to smell. O. Letter O. O for owl. Owl can see at night. P. Letter P. P for parrot. Parrot is a colorful bird. Q. Letter Q. Q for queen. Queen lives in a palace. R. Letter R. R for rabbit. Rabbit likes to eat carrots. S. Letter S. S for sun. Sun gives us light and heat. T. Letter T. T for tree. Tree gives us fruits and shade. U. Letter U. U for umbrella. Umbrella saves us from rain. V. Letter V. V for van. Van carries many people. W. Letter W. W. Watch. Watch tells us the time. X. Letter X. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree is decorated at Christmas. Y. Letter Y. Y for yellow. Yellow is a bright color. Z. Letter Z. Z for zebra. Z. Zebra has black and white stripes. Now let's say together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.